Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make black and white video in Shotcut. So let's start. Once we open Shotcut, we will see a screen like this. Over here you've got projects folder. Down below you need to type the name of the project you're currently working on. I'm going to call it video 14. And then in video mode you can choose the resolution and frames per second or leave it as automatic. If you do that, the settings will be imported from the first clip you add to Shotcut. So click start, and now two important things. First of all, make sure you are on editing tab. Second of all, once we go to view, make sure that all of those icons are selected. Because if I will mention timeline or playlist in the future and you cannot find it, that means it's turned off over here. And now let's import our clip. In order to do that, make sure you click on playlist in the left bottom corner over here. Then open the folder where you have your clip, I have it over here, and simply drag it to the playlist. Once you do this, it should be imported over here as you can see, and you should see some preview over here. Now, we need to add this to our timeline. Timeline is down here, so make sure you have timeline selected and drag it over here. This will add new video 1 track and we will be able to edit our clip. You can zoom in and zoom out by holding Ctrl on your keyboard and using scroll to zoom in and zoom out. And as you can see, this clip is around 1 minute long, so I'm going to cut it to some shorter amount. Let's say I'm going to cut it to 15 seconds, so I'm gonna put my cursor over here and then press O. This will remove everything behind the cursor. So now our clip is 15 seconds long, and I'm going to show you how to change this fragment over here in the middle into black and white. Of course, you can use it to change the whole clip, but in this example I'm just going to change this small part of the video. If we want to change the small part, we need to cut it out. So move the cursor to the beginning of the fragment and press S. This will cut the clip into 2 pieces. Now I'm going to move it over here and press S to cut it again. And now as you can see we have 3 separate clips. So select the middle clip and then go to filters, click on plus, and over here type saturation. And here we've got 2 options, hue, lightness, saturation and saturation. So you can choose any of these. However, if we choose this one, this will give us a little bit more options and more adjustments that can be made. So I'm just going to choose this more advanced option and click on it. And now over here we've got 3 options, hue, lightness, saturation. We will be using only lightness and saturation. And the most important part is the saturation itself. So make sure that your slider is somewhere on the clip that we are changing so you can see the changes on the preview. And then simply increase or decrease this value. As you can see, if we increase it, the colors are becoming more vivid. So in order to turn our clip into black and white, we need to decrease it to 0. And as you can see, the more we decrease it, the less colors we can see. So we can have some nice effect of an old video with very bleak colors, or we can simply change it to 0 and then we get black and white effect. And why do we need lightness? Lightness allows us to increase the lightness or decrease it of the video, so you can adjust it to your own preferences. And let's say I'm going to leave it as this one. And once we do this, we can check how it looks on the preview. So we have a colorful video, then it will go to black and white, and then in the end it will also change into colorful again. And don't worry if it will lag over here, because it's normal if it lags on the preview. Once you export the video, it should all be smooth. So once we finished our video, once we changed it to black and white, we can export it. In order to do that, click on export. From the menu on the left side, choose H.264 main profile and hit export file. Type in the name of the video, choose the folder where you want to save it and click save. Once you do this, you will see in the right top corner over here that the new task was added and it's being exported. Once it's exported, let me show you how it looks. So as you can see, the video is already exported and playing, and it goes from colorful to black and white, and then it should go into colorful as you saw a moment ago. So that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to change your video into black and white, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.